Pa-private pa yan, tol.
Yeah.
Madami-dami yun eh.
Ano yung bebe?
May nag-comment.
Ang sabi.
Ayaw, dinanggal na ng mods ko.
May mga bading.
Nanangangaral.
Boses daw kay Gab.
Magkasing haba.
May nagaya mag-dinner date sa'yo, Jobs.
Ayun, tong
Kahit lunch date pa.
Aha.
Open ko yung sexy lingerie ko.
Gang daw, tol.
Naka-ready na yung back doll, be.
Nakaready na yung back to doll.
Ang ina mo.
Dirty mo naman, hype ka.
Wow, parang di ka ba nabaliw sa akin?
ano.
Aha.
And you've got a great gank hero to do it, so my eyes right now are on Drake.
I mean, even without the line on that Shadow Demon, he was just rocking up mid.
Magka-hide lang ako ng mga dirty pics.
It's
Dirty
amazing
pics.
so far. And like we already mentioned,
Hindi walang matitira sa picture mo niyan.
feels like
Wow.
Yan, sorry.
Ang ina mo.
Talagang ina-atake mo.
Focus.
Atake mo ko. Di nasama si Yowie sa smoke, tol. Bagal niya.
Tama na, tol.
Joby, may nag-ano sa'yo dito, pre-colonoscopy, oh.
Ano?
Ano?
fingers crossed, no Drake
Yeah,
interference,
fingers
please.
crossed. Yeah. The top lane.
Ano daw, pre-colonoscopy?
May
Gogo
mga
tinipas.
bading. Sana favorite ni Yowie yun, ano? Maglakad dun.
Ano yun?
Kahit nung Ember
Bahala
siya.
ka na kung ano, hindi ko rin alam yun eh.
Oh, he's got a way of making these.
Sa
Always
lalamunan? Ay, sa puwet?
Sa puwet ba
yan?
Colon nga eh.
Yeah, I can crush this guy. Then a Photic Shield does the thing where the traits are insane. You're taking damage, he's resisting damage.
Nanangangaral.
Kind of one of the reasons why stuff like the Voodoo Restoration was so insane as well.
Favorite mo na yung
Ayun, dyan na
kanta na
pala
yun.
si Maki. Sayang di ka umabot, Maki.
So.
Di umabot si Makmak, tol.
I can still farm, you know, Ice Frog.
I think
Bakbak ilan daw nilagay mo sa Dex?
Baka may bit pa tayo.
May bit
Yata pure dex yan, may bit yan.
Well, in pubs he's picked quite a bit, but in
Gago,
person,
mataya
he's
sa
just not
Dex.
reliable.
Kita ba siya? Kita ba siya, Dan?
Kita siya sa 10th floor.
Kaso siya lang mag-isa, tol.
Ay, nagtuporto lang ulit.
Tuporto.
Boss Jow, gusto niya ba? Ay, Jow,
Yung
gusto
ina mo,
niya ba-
bubusitin nila si Armel.
Oo, tol.
Ulul.
Gogo.
Wolfgang.
Nung ina mo may dalawang security guard.
May bantay
Grabe
din
naman
siya.
to.
Me too. Gusto ko rin ng wolf.
Ito na wala si Drake, si ano dun, no? Si Q.
Si Q.
Bullshit si Armel dun, tol.
May
Kaso
ibang
ba't-
galaw ah.
May idea pala silang ganun, no? Okay ba din?
Para may coach to ah.
Kaya nga.
All day
Yung
away, tol.
pinag-headshot, tol. Taka na, FPS player pa naman to si Armel, tol.
Oh, tol.
Look, I don't know how much of it was a read and how much of it was
Hindi nga alam, marunong din.
back to lane kind of situation.
Papakitaan mag
FPS player lang, no?
Prevents what feels like would be a disaster for Armel in the lane.
Yeah, unfortunately, Puck was.
Pag to napanalo pa ni Yowie, wala na. Wala na tatalo kay Yowie sa mid,
At
tol.
that point, it was just some nice
Ah,
early
tol.
harass.
I mean,
Wala
Yowi's
ba
also
atang manalo siya sa
from
matchup na to, tol?
because he can't afford to be just on that
O, yan na.
Hindi, may
Isang
kakaiba
mid
kasi
pa yan,
galaw
ah.
yan, gago. Tingnan mo.
right-clicking him at every chance.
Oh, wala na, talo na.
Now, Runes did go 2 for 2, so nothing really crazy going
Talo
on
agad
there.
eh.
Kills as well.
Oh, gago lamang si Yowie, oh.
I kind of feel like these darling side lanes have high potential for aggression.
Aurora have a little bit of potential in their bottom lane as well as they accumulate more levels.
Cute nga ng tunog eh, no, tol.
Lumalabas yung rubber ducky.
From Darling that or the,
Ginamit na ni Mel yung kay na ni Drake, tol.
turn up the heat mid lane. Could be a little bit of a wash, right?
Yung gumamit,
And
no?
it's gonna be up to the side lanes to create that early.
Si Q yan eh.
Kabady pa
I
lang niya,
guess
tol.
my only concern is that Drake, once you start moving, I'd like to see Ollie and 23 maybe even bring up Q to try punishing Bosku because I feel like Kuku had a completely free game on that
Ang
Q last
sakit.
time round. They didn't really at any point in time in the laning stage kill him or dress him or stop him from farming like 4-5 ancient stacks. So
Sarap nga mag-back
I mean,
dyan.
we saw what
Sniper
a
ka
problem
rin.
Kuku can be if he's left alone.
Sobrang bullshit eh, no?
And they don't have the best ways.
Gagawa
to
ni
deal with
Owen ng
Timbersaw,
palara.
right? As he
Wala
has
na,
a
tol.
lot of
Kahit ano
players
itong
that
palarayan, putang ina.
That's the name of the game for Armel.
Pabili nga po isang Yossi, kasama na po yung palara.
Give me your best impression of
Ayan
the,
na.
the sniper.
Style, oh. Di mag-i.
That was That was so good. I thought he landed proc, right? Wait,
Nice try, nice try.
Yo, keep me 3 times in a
You
row.
you want another one, dude? You want
No,
two?
I wanna.
Pag nag-ika dun, makaras ka lang, tol.
Hindi niya rin makukuha yung gebuts na.
Ow. That's the Yaoi experience. Ow.
Yeah, that's his entire Dota game right now.
Hmm.
The guy's
Ay,
literally-
Tingnan mo,
Pinagbabaril.
binaril sa mukha.
It's one of the funniest immortals added to the game. It's gotta be. It's so unserious, actually.
It's up there with Merry Fistmas for sure.
Ano kinakain mo, Gab?
This is a new recent
Burger King, tol.
really like that one.
Narinig mo lang kay Joey yan, ah.
Narinig na yung kita ko kay Joe, eh.
Getting a
Ano
good
yan, ano yan?
nice setup
Burger King.
from the
Burger
dual
King
lane.
ba?
Looking to go down
First
with
blood,
a
tol.
shot bouncing
Ay.
Saka
around.
yung burger daw ni Kim, oh. Di ba kanina?
Get it done.
Ouchie.
This is the lethality that we were talking about here. in this
Yeah, the first
offense
blood.
for Aurora.
Nasa call si JG. Oh, tol.
This is something that I've noticed Jotun do quite a bit
Taxi time.
actually, and that's
Yung tunog squatter siya yan.
creep wave.
Uy,
Dali.
puto sayang.
Di ba lamang talaga si Luna kay Mipo, tol?
Galing sana nun.
I mean, he honestly and the
Like-
Lotus and Jabs didn't have any.
Kaya naman, tol.
anything. But yeah, your point about Jotun.
Yung
He
pag
just kind
nag,
of
ano yata?
fireflies into the middle
Megami po?
of, like the
Mawalan
new
ako ito
creep
yung-
wave, and the creeps start
Shard.
wailing on him.
Shard,
You get the spear onto the trees. Not only is the Mars and Hoodwink wailing on you, so is the entire creep wave, and it's just such a weird move to make. This is the second time like, I saw
laro,
it last-
Tangin na mo,
last
gumang
game.
ka na lang, Yowie
Did the
siguro.
same exact thing. It's just,
Wala na eh.
Level 4.
Ganyan lang talaga gagawin yan, gagi.
Get sort of time to die now. Maybe Yowie is just summoning him.
Pinorte.
No.
yeah.
Grabe naman si Armin.
Truthfully.
I gotta assume that's it. He's like, can you just do a little bit of dying real
Ayaw
quick?
ipamigay yung creeps, tol.
Kahit na si Armel, tol, nang last pick na. Nakaraan, puro pango lang eh.
He is clobbering this park, but this is really what we expect. Later on in the
Ah.
game, it's gonna get harder for the sniper, but for now, he is the king.
Now.
Uy! Gogo ko!
Aray.
Ooh, oh.
Yowie,
Uy,
maawa ka
ano?
sa pamilya
Get
mo.
a little creative.
Nagagawan talaga ng paraan ni Yowie, oh.
Oo, gagawa
Oh?
talaga ng palaro yan.
Have to.
Sabay uwi. Gogo, ang galing.
Yeah.
Sabay yun.
None of the Aurora heroes in the bot side can actually come and connect, so able to hold on to his
Ako na,
life there.
papasok na yung creeps.
Gabi, di talaga nag-discord yun, tol. Magdi-discord lang ata yun kung si Gabi yung kasama niya.
Desperation mode a little bit here, clinging on to whatever resource
Oo na, oo na.
Oh, si
Gagawa
Carlo.
ng palaro.
Ay, side bitch ko yun.
The sniper might
Sakit ba
lose
eh?
some EXP.
Ah.
Yeah, I mean, this is the only option. He's just gonna come straight
Wala
back
na,
to
uwi
you,
mo na yan,
stand
tol.
there, you're gonna die.
Buti
Mag-ulit
nag-drag
ka
niya
muna
pa
ng
to,
Cebu.
ayun, oh.
Actually, rather this
Oo,
is
isang
kind
gogi.
of the
Pwede na yan.
natural movement to make.
Nakadrag siya
Hindi na
one wave.
Pack
Ano
show
yung
mamaya
Yowie pa rin,
pagka.
tol. Kaso isa lang
Oo.
masisiyas niya.
Much needed gold and experience for Yoa's way.
And that's become kind of the norm. As soon as you're dealing with a lane you can't really handle in the one-to-one matchup.
Ano gagawin mo dyan, tol, pag ganyan na, yung pack? Wala.
Welcome. This is a part of the
Okay lang yan,
Yata eh.
kukunin niya lang yung mga pwede niya makuha, tol. Ganyan talaga yan.
Hihila yata
Matchup
ulit
na
yan.
yan. Di pa makakagang ng ganyan eh, puta. Level 4. Manlalaban pa yung gagangkan mo eh, no?
You ever see a Satan Mind Stealer before?
No, I haven't personally. I've never seen one in real life at least.
I'm sorry to tell you that you're not one in 20 creeps and you're just
Di okay lang, nagtotro na may sniper niyan eh, no? Ni Armel, Jao.
regular creep. Feels bad, man.
Oo.
Tandaan niya pa din ang
Mention
puto.
about this top lane that I do just wanna
Kalaban namin gaming
Yung fanatic.
gladiators.
is the mana drain.
Fanatic pa.
Is
Ah.
very good. in-
Nagmo-moonshard yan eh.
It's gonna continue to be good.
Eh, sa Morph yun, di ba?
Ano?
Morph yung kalaban.
Oo.
Ay, nakuha pa yung Aji. Yung
Oo,
bumbog
kuha.
na hero.
Moonshard talaga.
Ah.
Oo nga, kaya moonshard ka.
Nakita niya kay Ame, sabi niya, ang ganda na ito, imbis na mag-linkin ka. Moonshard ka na lang, kukunin din naman Aji mo eh.
Sa top
Aha.
speed yun, di ba?
Ah.
Makukuha
Kasi
rin na
sigurado
top
naman matatanggal yung linkin mo eh. Ayun, nag-moonshard.
All these supports right now are like kind of poverty mode when it comes to levels.
Grabe ang galaw ng supports.
Gago, nakita ni ano yun ah. Ni Jouton yung stack, ba't kinuha na nyo?
Ako na kahit logi siya sa lane, nakuha pa rin niya yung ano, rune.
Naku po.
Problema nga ito.
We'll just say thank you very much.
What are you doing?
Kung si Yowie, kukuha na XP.
Oh.
XP.
Kukuha ko naman yung support niya,
Ah,
tol.
sangas.
Di ba doon sa support na lang yun?
Sa support yun, tol.
Gogo.
Para may kwenta sila early.
Nandamay pa si Yowie. Bawal pala matalo sa lane yan, tol. Oo, gago na muna.
Ay, no, worth it
Oh,
naman
ano?
eh.
But that's only if
Worth it
they
Ilang?
naman. tol.
they'll still commit.
Wala na.
A lot of damage coming out from this puck, but no additional lockdown.
Lucid Rick, oh, talagang ano.
Yung ano mo, Von Sol.
Go.
No, I don't
Ba't may bading daw,
I
Joby?
saw- yeah,
Saan?
back here, and they saw 23 pivot back in.
Kaya tatotol.
Doesn't wanna lose out.
Kita siya?
On the
Wala, hindi
defensive
mamatay
level,
ito.
Kuku
Ay,
starting
ito.
to
Di ba?
Yan na si
Yung
Palas,
dito?
Kumanek na rin.
as well. This is gang that we're not
Gogo bibilis mag-TP oh.
the full squad to save this poor Luna.
Pinapatay niyo yung
Hindi
buhay.
nga. Hindi nga.
Holding his ground again and
Hindi.
saving
Natap si
his
Drake.
cause.
Mategi Wonderland.
Kung inaarora to, bibilis mag-TP
Jobs.
ah.
Magboses na lalaki ka nga, Jobs.
Hindi ko talaga kaya.
Kinda there, you know, neck and neck with Amel and the sniper. But yeah, you still haven't really stopped this Timbersaw.
And what are you gonna do to stop?
Ano
the
score?
Timbersaw?
1-0, darling, tol.
Right, that reactive armor is gonna be so valuable as he gets more levels into it. Obviously, he's got other priorities right now, and that's taking damage.
Yan na,
but
6 na si
as
Boss.
the game goes on, the reactive armor is gonna be very valuable.
Interesting build here from Amel, prioritizing that.
Pinaka na talaga ni Bosco si 23, tol.
Out of dodge there.
Mhm.
Heads up TP back just to reset.
Galing kasi sa tamad ni
Total
Goku
best of
yan.
It's not standard build for this Luna, but
Tama,
Sabagay.
tama.
I was wanting to keep my eyes on this sniper. Post Mage Slayer, that's gonna increase his resistances quite a bit, but apart from that, what else are you really gonna get done here? I guess that's the big question for Amel.
Uy, tangin na
Wala
siya.
akong-
Item-wise,
Wala kang pake, ah.
Pangit ba DP kay Sniper, tol?
Gameplay is very, very normal, right? You
Eh, nata yung bagong build ngayon, tol.
Mage Layer.
Yung ano, diba?
Bagong dito option.
Dispenser.
Hmm.
Dispenser.
Hindi,
Mage
ano?
Slayer,
Mage Slayer.
Slayer.
Ayos tayo, Kyle.
Sabi mo DPU eh.
Di tinanong ko
Top
nga
lang,
kung pangit.
si Topson lang kasi ginagaya, tol.
Now Yotan once again, he's
Pag sniper.
clearing this creep wave.
Basayan kasi ng Horado yun eh, no?
Stopping any sort of push from coming.
Ang gundo naman ang
Hindi din ni
cutting ni boss.
Joto, no?
That's exactly why
Yun
our
lang.
Ganda
Dedo.
niyan.
bottom lane. Oh, spear.
Ayun lang.
Okay na eh.
Game
It's the thought that counts, tol.
Firefly was already running out.
Good spot,
This should
goods.
be an easy kill.
Napatay na si Hotun.
Actually, the Jazz gets the last hit.
Joto.
Tsaka si Hokam.
Hotun and Hokam.
Again, he's dying in really good positions. Right, a little bit-
Gago, kinukulit talaga ako ng isang viewer. Joby, ikaw talaga yung trip.
Ano bang sabi
Live
ba?
kata talaga.
Mima, wholesome date tayo, sabi.
Papakita ko sa yung butas ng ano, karayong.
Joby, mahal
Wholesome
na
daw,
ata kita,
wholesome.
sabi niya. Mima, mahal na ata kita. Talagang ikaw yung kinukulit, oh.
Bala ka takunin yung bato mo.
Kunin yung
Puwag.
ano, yung namumuong polusyon dito.
You don't want to spend too much time here as well because you're basically splitting EXP and farm across two cores.
Gago, sabi ni XX Nairo, pag naging boses lalaki yun, bukas agad Wolfgang. Aha.
Uy.
Nako, teka. Sample muna.
Ah, sige. Practice ka muna.
Practice mo na.
Hindi mo talaga ho.
Ang lante ang puta.
Tangin na nito.
I was wondering whether Kuku was gonna
Alam mo, di
Daw, sabi
malayan
ni Ken,
tao po ta.
Joby.
stop his tower on
Ano
the
yan?
map,
Dirty daw, sabi ni Ken.
which can amplify a lot of spell damage.
Gago.
Parang hindi niya naman kinain yung suso ko dati. Halos gawin niya ang almusal ang tanghalian. Sabi ko, break time muna ng merienda.
Balbon yan.
Tangin lang yan ang puto.
Sarap sa ears, ah.
Especially now the puck has gotten samples. The main deterrent was the puck didn't have a lot of
Yung mga gusto ni Gabi, yung mga ano.
Pinakain ba naman yung suso?
Masama lalaki. Pagkain eh.
Kadiri ka,
Kakain,
Joby,
skin ng baby,
gago ka.
Wala naman kasi
Ay,
century.
di ka ba mababan, Joe?
Hindi nakakaban.
Lagi ko kay Noel.
Bigyan mo na maban siguro.
Ar!
Gogo nag-6
Ano mababan na?
Six pa.
Sino yun?
Mababan
Sino
yan,
ba to?
Pinoy eh.
Ah,
Tagalog
Tagalog naman sinabi.
Oo, Tagalog eh.
Aurora, they just answer right
Hindi naman ako nagsabi. Kaya mo
Kung
sila.
makita yung chat, tol.
off their own bot side.
Dota Bap, tol. Dota Bap. Pag gusto niya makakita yung
Tower's already
replay.
gone too, darling. They
Uy.
looking for something a little bit too aggressive.
Nasaan na ba ako? Ako pala yung sarili ko pinapanood ko, tol.
Just yet, which is a little questionable to me.
We're once again finding a situation where they're focusing down the Abaddon. Sure enough, when they started that fight, he was still
Mayaman pa rin si Boss Kel.
Di na nagano, Soul Ring si Bosco. Rekta na.
Free lane kasi siya, tol.
I think a big
Mm.
sort of counter.
Wala akong nakakatalo kay Coco ngayon sa lane, no?
Limiting factor for them was up until this point, Drake.
Baka dahil sa phosphor niya, tol.
Sulit yung pag-down niya sa stream ko.
To get going. Another smoke up and you're in.
Solid ka, tol.
Love to find 23 and they're right on path to spot.
Huli ka.
Ay, hello kay Ian. Follow niyo si Ian, guys.
Kill here. Not much to be done.
Dedo, tol.
Death as 23.
Ganda lagi ng galaw nilang dalawa, no? Si Drake tsaka si Yowie, tol.
Nowhere near enough.
Extension yung mag-uwi.
Connection, tol.
Natagal na ata magkampiyan din.
Extension yung mag-utol.
We'll see.
Asa na yung magpapa-Wolfgang? Mema lang.
Kaya
Connection
Pinasa
pala
ko
talaga
lang
yun,
din.
no?
Gigil niyo ako, ha?
Guard,
Wait lang.
that's
Oh!
parehas ng duty.
Human ni Jobs, no? Gogo.
Gana na si Jobs, tol.
No
Yaman niya,
scrub.
tol, nakapagpagawa ka ng ilong eh.
Ngayon ako si pinag-miipo.
Inaantay ko yung lalaki na boses. Uy, inaantay daw ni Ian yung lalaki mo boses, Joby.
Ano ba kasi yun?
Isang lalaking boses lang, Joby. Isa lang.
Yung coil, gago ka.
Hello mga
Oo,
tol.
may Wolfgang. Sabay.
Tangina mo, ikaw ba yun?
Mga tol game na.
Okay,
Yung coil yun?
Ulul, di ikaw yun.
Kosa, Joby.
Kosa, tara na.
Parang
Ko-
pwede
Aha.
pamilya, tol.
Hindi ko na kaya.
Hindi na kakaya.
Kasaba.
Tangina na kadiri talaga.
Oh, may Wolfgang na kami kay Nairo, ah.
Wolfgang.
Ay,
Sige.
Wolfgam.
Sige, kayo bukas, daanan na lang kayo ni Joby.
Uy, Elo?
Sabi niya, wala, di maayos, sabi niya.
Ay, nako. Sasampalin kita ng chinelas na may tae. Ginagawa mo na akong ano.
Mag-use na kaya si Jobs, no, tol?
Ano?
Mag-use na lang siya, si Jobs.
Yeah, unless Q's in the area.
Panghuli kay
Rhinoplasty.
Only gets one
Timing.
There's no
Mm-mm.
chain stun
Hindi, sure huli yun, tol.
in the area. And even if Q
Wala sila pang huli, tol, eh.
enough damage to kill off the
What can you do?
reasonably tanky, like he's gotta
Ay,
be-
mahuhuli na pala, no? Yung spear na, no?
even kill him from full.
Madali na nga pala yung arena.
Pang, ina, dami nag-add sa akin tuloy.
Yung ano, sino ba yun? Ah, si Picoto pala yun.
Sino, tol?
Fukeko Meko to.
Si 35?
65, 64, gago.
Ah, 64 ba? Ito nga, sobra-sobra naman yun.
Yung Tita Lorna niya, marami.
64 ang puto. Ano yung turtle?
Uy,
Wala nga, mahirap nga, oh. Kung naka-use siya, di ba? Sure kill lagi.
Grabe nga mag-rock si Yowie.
Oh,
Dahil
guys.
lang
Yowie, oh.
si Yowie, tol.
Highlights din kasi yan, tol. Mm-mm.
Yo, Ian, tol.
Pasok sa TikTok yan.
Got a little
Mhm.
bit of a window with arena down.
Kung ano, sarap.
Drake
Ano
na yata
nakaka-farm to
to
si
si
Drake,
Drake, ah.
tol. Oo, gogo. Ba't
Vlogger
ganun?
na siya, tal.
Yaman niya din, no?
Start going here, making some sort
16
of
CS lang siya.
been severely lacking.
Oo nga,
Stock
wala
siya
na.
na.
1-1.
Drake.
Everything's lining up for them now. All their little crucial
Palaban
Pepper
si
from
Palaban
si
si
Drake.
Dagger siya
Just grabbing
nag-dagger.
that blink dagger, you can fully expect both Yue and him.
Lagi siya
Well.
nag-i-stack eh, kaya lagi may pera.
Even without it though, they want to settle on the boss who finally trying to address this Timbersaw.
Ay.
Whereas the bushwhack not in
Gago.
time.
Aba?
Binigyan si Ukok, tol.
Hindi
Hindi
marunong si Empoy.
Ends up
Bigay nila yung hoodwink dyan.
bit of a slip up.
Hoy, putang ina mo, Gabi.
Ayun na
Inano
yun.
mo pala yung Facebook ko, ah.
Ba't ako na naman? Baka si Jao.
Okay nang ina mo, nag-message sa akin, kaya
Si
pala...
Jao nga, si Jao
Wait,
makaidi
ah.
ako.
Ina mo.
Oh, sige,
Sigaw,
ako na,
sigaw.
ako daw, ako daw.
Ilalabas ko yung mga picture mo, kinang ina mo.
Si Jao nga makaidi ako, tangina mo.
Ayan.
Ang kulit nito.
Kinang ina mo, may nag-message sa akin, gago, ang dami, kinang ina mo.
Ayan.
Bago di ko magagawa to.
Doko, ilalabas ko yung mga picture mo, sinasabi ko sa throwback, gusto mo, ah. Sige. Okay.
Ayan. Tingnan mo.
Ito si
Gago,
Iggy.
showtime na si Yowie.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Grant lang saglit si Makay.
Tangina nun.
Nagrant lang, nagrant.
Parang bading ang puta. Tangina mo kayo, lakot pa napapahamak sa'yo eh, no?
Ba't ako ba naglabas ng picture?
Hindi, si Jao pa, si Jao.
Quite a long
Ako?
shot. That-
Si Kyle sabi.
He is very much-
Si Makmak daw.
Ganda yung old gods,
Si
gago.
Kuya,
Putang ina.
Ad break tuloy.
lower, but we kind of expected that with the Witchblade now, though. Buck's ready, right? He's got the levels. He's got the witch blade.
Ang hirap ni Armel, gago, no?
Doesn't matter because do you see the way that Yowie is playing? He's just
Wala. Baka Yowie na is the new generation.
Pa yata si
Patay si
Arnil.
Armel, tol.
Leads nga siya.
Ay, boy, may abading.
Wala.
Ah.
Jento galing.
Bago makunat yan, tol.
Ang lalaban yan, tol.
May mga abading na nakakaroling.
Kunat, Paps.
Napalo niya ba si Timber before mang-go? Wala silang damage eh. No?
Oh, tsaka si Pac.
Gago, yan na si Jobs.
Wala, no?
Nice one, blowjobs.
Wala na talaga.
Baka dyan ka mabandaw.
Mga napopro kang puta.
Okay lang, pag naban ako, kasama naman si Gabi.
Okay, okay lang. Wala naman.
Kappa Pride. Kappa Pride, guys.
Wala naman ads yung Twitch ngayon, tol. Okay lang
Pride,
mabantay.
tol.
Kappa Pride, Kappa Pride.
Hindi
Oy,
mo
larap kay Madam JL Beleza.
yung match set prop.
Aray ko.
Ayun, nag-spam nga sila Kappa Pride. Oh. Si Joby kasi.
Thank you, guys. LGBTQ+.
Plus.
Joby, sinabi mo na ba lalaro ka sa Exe?
Hindi pa.
Ba't pahinga si Bob?
Hindi mo nila alam.
Pahinga si Bob?
Oo, kaya yung kamukha yung
Ay,
nagagawa.
Hindi pa na.
Pinalaro yung ate.
Si ate muna. Bunso, mamaya ka na.
Gago, malungkot si Bob eh. Pinanood yung movie ni Ding Dong.
Okay. Rewind, tol.
Oo.
Parang konti ng gold din ng karabat.
Okay lang yan. Darling kami
Mayaman,
dito, Joby.
mayaman si Palos eh.
Ang kalaban, darling kami dito.
Oo nga.
Darling din naman ako ah.
Ah, darling ka din ba?
Gagong sakit.
Worth it ata ito lah. Worth it kay Drake.
Ayun ang hindi worth it.
But Jabs finds another killing off Jotun yet again. Like you keep mentioning, these
Jotun.
positions for the Bat Rider where he's dying
Jotun.
are worse, but you're 0 and 6 right now.
Si Jotun yan, tol.
Towards the Solar Crest. It's not really a great showing.
Ba't di na lagi binibili yung shard ni Luna, tol? Pag after manta, kala ko lagi yun.
Maaga doon kasi nagsasara yung tindahan.
Eh, no.
Okay na mo.
But yeah, you were playing a game. What am I looking at for Mars?
Sure. Not looking specifically.
I'm not looking. I'm
Yaman palos. Yaman si Sulap, tol.
BKB or Deso? What do you think? What would be better for you?
knowing Jabs, it's Maelstrom against.
Gagawa naman si Yowie mamaya dyan eh.
I don't know. I mean, he has
Yan,
icon
nag-stall
flying
ring
up,
si
but
Kuko eh, no?
hard pressed to think that it's. I was gonna
Ba't
say,
binili niya pa din, no?
BKB will be hilarious. But yeah.
Kanina lang dapat.
Gusto nila lagi yung mana niya.
It's the Deso.
Of course, of course. It's Jabs. I
Baka
mean,
nakalimutan niya,
Jabs
tol.
He's feeling good about himself. The scoreline, pretty nice for him this game as well. 7-0 and 2, having a phenomenal one.
Hindi mo na mamatay si Yowie oh.
I actually think the Deso's the right play because it opens up early Roshan.
Oh, lagi nagro-rush ng mga to, no?
And,
Na-outfarm tuloy sila lagi,
now,
tol.
Aurora, sensing that this is their opening, of course, there's the early Luna timing that you still
Baka
want to
lilimahan
hit.
ulit sila.
23, it's been a bit of an up and down game for him so far, getting picked off here and there, but
Nakadeso yung Mars, tol.
crucial items. Now gonna get their Aegis.
tol.
Oo, tol.
Nabak tol eh, no?
Comfortable about breaching into the
Nagdedeso na.
Di nga ti player yan, no? Hindi nagpulis.
Thank you, Pandalicious, tol.
Uy, thank you, thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Panda.
Thank you, Panda Licious.
Very slow and casual first stages, mop up the tier
Yun
2
ang lahat nagte-thank you, puta.
space around the map.
Eh, syempre, ganun kami.
Shrink the space. All about space, really, this first stages, right? Shrink the space.
Nakakauwi lang, 500 uli mano.
Accumulate net worth on all of your cores. Wait until that second Aegis, and then push the high ground.
Kuku with the setup.
Dedo siya, be.
Bibigyan si Ukok, tol.
Na-break tol.
Dead ball, tol.
Patay si Boss ko first.
Break a leg.
Sinabi ko na kay Kuko yan eh, sa pub eh.
Mhm.
Counter si Mars kay Timber, tol.
Counter, pinagalitan mo na. Tingin mo,
Di
kukunti ka
binan si Mars,
nakikinig.
tol.
Without Timber, they're definitely not doing anything. Now, Meepo has finished that Aghanim Scepter, so a lot more survivability on Palos, but
Guys, Sulap, farm ka lang.
are you ready yet without that Disperser now?
Ano yung ano?
King na 0-2-1 si Sulap, tol.
Ano timing ni Sulap tol? Dispe.
Pag napagod yung
Ano
manok.
ba
Aegis
Meepo mag-isa
sana.
to, tol?
Yung Aegis sana kaso nawala, tol.
Yung manok pa rin timing.
Oh, tol, pag napagod yung manok.
Yung tare. Wala yun yung tare.
The whole game revolves around 23 right now.
Parang di kaya ni Mipo to, tol.
Hindi nga kaya,
Tatlong
tol.
core.
It's boring. It is boring. It is boring, Dota. What can you say? I agree with you.
Sa series na to kung sino magmipo talo, no?
Oo nga, no. Hindi, wala pa. Panalo to, tol. Wala pa 1K gold lead. Oh.
O, paano sila lalaban, tol?
For sure.
Hindi niya malaban yung network niya, tol.
Puso lang,
Nauna yung
puso
ano.
lang. Darling tayo. Ano ba?
O sige.
Down na yung review. Maka-cancel dapat.
Yun, oh.
Oh, tingnan mo si Abaddon ginogo.
Nakot si Pablo.
Ang ganda nung pasok ni Drake, tol.
Tangin na ba't si Abaddon?
Ayop ka.
Pagulo na. Pasok na.
Uy!
Nahuli na tayo.
Wala eh.
Bro, player. And na, bumawi.
Gugong ganda ng
Ayun na.
next, tol.
Kinang ina mo. Pilit na pilit ilaso. Tayo na gusto abutin yung pangarap, tol.
Gogo.
Uy, yun na si Drake po. Kinang ina nyo, ano.
Drake God, tol.
Ay, gago. Ganda ng pwesto ni Sulap, tol.
Patay si Armil.
Putoy,
Gago, boss sila
comeback. Comeback na, tol.
Tol.
Patay, patay. Ubos. Putang ina nyo, ano.
Grabe
Ay,
talaga
gago
si
ka.
Ano si Drake?
Wala,
Say natuwa ang may likha.
patay, tol.
Oy,
Putang ina mo, Yui. Oh. Uy, gago ko.
Kuminahikro lang, tol. Panis.
Tangina mo, Drake. Hype ka.
Tong ina mo, pinagninit, tol. Yung tilapia. Wala, dedo. Dedo ka na, be?
Gago, chino pa ni Joby.
Uy, gago. Huwag
Gago.
ka magbiblingkit, Sulap. Sulap, putang ina mo.
Ano? Awatin niyo yung bata.
Oy, swan.
Okay. Nice.
naglalaba?
Worth it by 23, tol.
Ano?
Ano yun, win? Nag-rush?
Pero ganda ng mga playlist pansit kanton niya, ano, tol.
Maganda.
Yeah, that
May
all
nag-buyback ba,
works,
tol?
Not just as buyback.
Si ano lang na yun, no? Si
Layo,
Drake.
tol.
Kailan nag-start ng fight kayo?
Sumul pa ka sa gitna.
Tangina na yun. All eyes on me ang puta.
Binaril na pato.
Yan talaga build ni Jobs eh, no? Deso. Yung yung nagawa niya.
Oo, tol. Ay, sa scrim din eh, no?
Bago dyan, nag-tape na naman.
Nawalid si Teams.
Hey, sorry.
Uy, thank you kay Wenro, tol.
Bawal yan, Jow.
Bawal yan.
Binabawalan ako.
5K,
Kyle.
5K per hipak kasi yan eh. May bayad.
Tangina, may bantay ka na, tol.
Oo.
Oo, tol. Paulit-ulit kayo, no, Joel?
Parang naninis eh, Joel.
Parang gusto mo palitan si Kuko, king ina mo.
You just gotta be more careful. Right? You were kind of standing in a weird position.
Ay, Pilostone pala si Mipo ngayon, no?
Oh, ba't Otab yung kinuha?
Right? You have nowhere to run at that point.
Tangina kasi yung mga, ni, generation ni Sulap, yung mga nagbabato. Dawin na, nag-Pilostone, no? Baka wala. Pilostone.
2 minutes long drag 5 kg kasi hindi ka nga nakasabay.
Gago yan eh. Ang ina niya.
Huli si Armiel.
Huli si Armil, tol.
Tungin ni Jow, tol.
Sulap show.
Ina mo.
Sorry.
Pangit gising ni Armil today, tol.
Lam bacon, tol.
Buyback. Buyback si Armiel.
Walang
Idioto sila dito, di ba?
Init na. Sulap show
Si
na
Palos,
ata.
tol. oh. Patay
Sulap
ata.
tol.
Uy, gago na stun. Grabe
Bago
si
kasi
Drake.
Drake, tol. Anong ginagawa mo dyan? Dahil baka dyan, be. Go.
Wala kang buyback, King.
King ina ni Drake, naiinip, tol.
Oh!
Sobrahan, tol.
Oo,
Masyadong
naiinip.
attachy case.
Bounce to.
Baka di niya alam, pwede pang malayo yung mana drain, no?
Gar, takbo.
Wala.
Boy. Aray ko.
Pasakay.
Na-off.
Tungin mo.
Ina mo.
Armil.
Na-off siya, tol.
Okay,
Wala nang buyback naman si Armel dan eh. no?
Sa pangyatap.
Buyback si
Gabi
Armil.
naman ako ng Burger King, Gab.
Pero worth
Sige,
it,
order
ah.
ka lang, Joby.
Birthday lang ng mama ko.
Order ka nga.
Walang halong eme yan, ha?
Ah,
Mamachi, Fuji Bar.
yes.
Smooth
Mama
lang.
Chinsu Bar.
Porkisan.
Order ka lang naman eh.
Gegesin mo yung Gcash mo, babawas ko to sa nalikom ko.
Dali na.
Okay, send mo sa Gcash mo, ha?
I'm gonna say it again. With this buyback,
Pakita mo sa viewers, ha?
Oo. Tangin ng to, tagal. I-ano mo na QR mo para scan ko na lang.
Kumalma ka po, kinadal. Ito na.
Sure, it's reasonable, but it's not compared to a troll warlord or a Luna.
Si Joel din, order mo, tsaka si Toots, ha?
Oo.
Nice one.
Kami.
Yung dalawa lang ha, baka magano ka pa dyan.
Masama pa si Marcos ha.
Oo, saan pa si Marcos,
Baka
baka
magaya
chinilasing
pa
ko
yun,
yun. Okay na ngayon.
Gago.
Ay, gago. Teka lang, ba't na kay Armil ako?
Tiga mo, sabay-sabay tayong malungkot. Yung iba nga walang tsinelas eh.
0995. Nangasar ka lang kagabi, patangay namin.
Siyempre.
Next year yan guys, bibili ng ano yan, kambing.
Siguro na, lagyan nyo sa ano. Sa burol.
Be, punta ka dito, be.
St. Peter.
Ako,
Contact ng St. Peter yan.
pag nakuha ko ng pagkain, nakakit ako dyan ha.
May bakanting PC dito, be.
Oo.
Oh, yung pala eh, doon
Wala
ka na
ginawa
lang.
ko scavenger, be.
Chat
Be,
nyo, nag-ano sa St. Peter yan, nag-aayos.
Ay, tangina, may tumatawag. Buwis.
Ayun na sila.
Gago to.
Sabi sa'yo yung QR eh.
Yeah.
Hindi mo kasi
Sagutin mo,
sinend yung
sagutin mo.
QR.
Sagutin mo.
Nakita niya na, nag-agbi.
Ay, okay na, 10K yan ha.
Gago, ang dami nagte-text. Gago pa.
Okay na.
Bading.
Baka bulsa mo lang. Bading.
Be, tatawagan ko niyan, be.
Wait lang, order muna ako guys. Magkitawag ng tawag.
Oo nga, pag-orderin nyo muna si Bading.
Judge rate nyo muna guys.
Judge raid.
Sobrang yaman ni Solap, tol.
Ina, ang dami.
Bilihan nyo ng kambing guys, hindi tindahan.
Padala nyo ng rep yung
Ay,
di ba
maganda
yan?
ba to? Mga maganda pa yung sila tol.
COD na tol.
Wala tol. Yung nakaharap, yung dalawang di mo mapapatay tol eh.
Bago nalusan si Drake, tol.
Nakita mo yung ginawa kay Drake tol?
Wala tol lang naglaho. Parang wala.
Uy, nani tol.
May nag-text. May yellow po kayo, yung mainit. Gago.
Wala, GG no?
Nakakatawa ka naman, Joby.
GG tol, GG. Okay lang, maganda laban, 1-1. Sabi nga nila, di ba, ano, game 5 tol, sila na nagsabi.
Oo,
Game 5 nga, legit.
Alam mo naman ba't may pamburan lapis?
Oo.
Banata nila yung Mipo, tol. Yung Mipo ata problema.
Kung sino mo may tol?
Yoey smells the Aurora Danger coming. I couldn't tell you what it smells like because I have a perpetual block nose, but
Pero ayos naman Mipo
even by smelling it, they don't dodge it.
Wala nga eh, yung gameplay nga ng
yung hero
Mipo tol eh.
Di ko naman sinisisi yung player.
Oo, takay ng mo.
Delay timing yan, din yan ako yung ages, tol.
Ba't ka galit, Carl?
Ang inang mga to.
Ano ka ba umintindi, tol?
Go!
Marunong ka ba umintindi ang puta? Oo nga. Kaya din pala na-uppercut ni Team Stall.
Joke lang.
Oo.
Pabalang din pala sumagot. Nag-proc eh, no?
Tangina yung lahat ng tumawag, sinasagot ko. Tangina yung...
Bigay mo din number nila dito pag tinawagan ka.
Ah, Joby,
diba?
bawian mo.
Bawian mo.
Sige, sige.
Ano 1.4k lang buhay na ito.
Pabili po ice
Wala,
cream.
ayun no.
Maspir nga ata, patay kay Marcian eh, no?
Oo, sa solo ilatan.
Teka, hindi ka maka-order po ng ina nyo.
Order mo rin
20k
ako,
na lang
Joby.
sahod
Send
ni
ko
Drake.
address.
Nagiging...
Napakatamad ko.
Gago na, babawasan yung sahod ni Drake, tol. Di okay na yung max na yun, 50 sa kanila, tol. Incentives na lang sila.
Ah, tama.
Si Carl ba yung Kyle? Oo, siya, siya.
Okay lang yun.
Eh na, Joby, sinend ko address.
Ikaw na lang umorder. Ang tigas naman ang pangarap mo.
Ano, send mo sa akin?
Oo.
Sige, sige.
Pangarap ang puta.
Guys, sendan nyo pa ako ng Gcash. O-orderan ko rin si Carl. Ayoko ng mga text niya. Boss, naghahanap ka ba ng babae? Putang ina.
Be, purchase ako, be.
Teka lang, be ha. Mahina si kalaban.
Ako din be, fortune likes ako.
Pero purchase na lang tayo nila Carl. Ay, nila.
Pag nagaw ni siya laptop, tol, wala.
Magmamala JG. JG cosplay.
JG cosplay to, tol. Wala eh. Wala talaga eh.
Wala, 23.
Gago,
Sakit tol, namatay agad.
Sige, sama-sama kayo dyan, tol.
Makakuha niyan, tol.
Dig, dig, dig.
Baan
Reset,
mo?
reset. Game 3 tayo. Ay, hindi. Kaya ko pa.
O, ready ka na ng coach daw ha, yung coach.
Next game.
Coach.
Sige.
Reset, reset, reset. Game.
Ano magandang coach ngayon, Jet?
Teka.
Better to give than to receive.
Work ethics, coach, tol.
Tangin na,
Bilis mag-isip dun.
Patol, kaya patol.
Christmas
Para
coach.
nagtitinda lang ng brown.
Okay.
Sino yun, Joel?
Joel.
Hindi nakita ko sa Panda Express yun tayo.
Oh.
Hindi pa rin sila tumitigil. Sila Fortune Soul.
Malakas uminom yung IHC, Joby.
Ano ba?
Yung IHC, malakas uminom.
Naglaro lang kami ba? Hindi kami nag-inom masyado.
Mga beer pong ganun.
Hindi, yung mga card games lang, pang mga weird.
Mga pusoy. May pusoy-pusoy kong bansa.
Ang
Bang.
dami.
Siniko nga yun, tol.
Lakas na ni 23 Salbaho, tol.
Kaya nga nagwawala.
Nag-ready na ako ng coach tol.
Sige.
Tatlo.
More Deso charges. Oh, look, Kukuy has a glide mode. Q is so farm.
Ano mo item nito? Ito lang yaman. Ganun na ba yung item build kaya ano ngayon, tol? Level 1 na lang yung stun ni Woodwing. Alam mo yun, Jow?
Ano?
Level 1 na lang yung stun ni Woodwing.
Nakita kay DJ, ganun din.
Max first third, no?
Ay, gago si ano, palos.
Baka dahil sa attack range, tol.
Showtime na ni Boys.
Showtime nga ni Sulok, tol.
Walang mana si
Inong ino mo.
Gago,
Gago,
basta
bakit
Walang
yung Luna,
Wala
tol?
mana si Luna.
Oo. Patay si Luna? Hindi. TTP out lang ata to, tol.
Dead naman si...
Walang BKB, tol? May BKB ba?
Meron.
Meron.
Ay, manlalaban?
Pero lalaban.
Ah, ganun pala, Eclipse TP.
Maglalaba.
Gago na
Ay,
ni
ayaw
Bata
niya
si
mag-TP,
Jackson,
tol. Ayaw niya mag-TP,
Tama na,
tol.
tol. TP na, tol.
Mahuli ah.
Hala, abutan,
Ay!
abutan. Malalat. Oy!
Ba't ganun?
Ba't ganun?
Ano yun?
Delay kayo tol.
Delay kami o refresh. Sorry.
Refresh.
Hindi na-cancel yun.
Sa'yo ako nanonood, Joe eh. Refresh ka na,
Ay,
Joe.
ganun.
Kaya salamat, naka-order na din.
Hindi, delay nga yan. Gago ko yung kay Jow.
Delay play sa'yo, Joe. Refresh.
Gago.
Hindi, ano.
Manood ka sa totoong ano, no?
Sa totoong laro.
Ano na, share your screen.
Joe, gusto ko yung mukha ni Joe.
Ayan, share your screen ko.
Pero
Hindi
ba't
ko makikita
ganyan,
yung mukha
no?
ni Joe.
Comeback pala, tol, no? Comeback.
BKB si Solap. Level mag-item to si Solap eh.
BKB Butterfly.
Ata. Para di siya malabahan ni Luna.
Yan.
No, Joby, order na ako.
Kumalma ka, anong number mo?
Ay, gago. Ngayon lang siya nag-soul ring, tol, oh. Baka nanood ng live.
Naka-open yata yung live.
Si Joel. Eh, si Joel.
Whoa! Where did he come from? Oh my goodness! Hey, yo, we're not together. Yo, chill out. What? Yeah. I'm starting to see the problem where they can't really focus the Luna and the sniper at the same
Dalawang item ata ni Yowie. Kaya pa to eh, no, tol?
destroy right now.
Ags plus
Carl, anong number mo, Carl? Sasampalin ko mukha mo.
Strong though, the setup is there and beautiful hex.
Lang.
That's a really good
Yun
one.
lang.
It's gonna get an easy pick
Walang
up
buyback
of
si
the
King.
again. No
Basag
line
to,
for
tol.
Q.
You drop this king.
Because that's the first time that item
You drop this
Pamumukhaan
king.
yata ni boss ko.
You drop.
Pamukhaan ka ni boss.
Uy, thank you kay Keso, tol.
Uy,
Hindi
Keso,
yata kaya,
thank
tol.
you,
Thank you.
cheese.
Mas masakit ba yung Daedalus kay Luna, tol?
Mas
Bigay
masakit
isa, bigay isa.
Yes,
Bigay isa.
sir.
Kasi yung isa.
Dalawa ata mabibigay nyo na, banda blessing yan eh.
Banda blessing nga to, tol.
Bukas na. Bigay dalawa.
Bigay laro.
Bigay na natin game to, gago pa na.
Tatlo tol, tatlo.
Wala, ganun talaga tol eh. May ganda naman na jump ni Sulap. Kaso naka-ags ata si Oli tol. Buyback tol.
GG book, tol.
Tron.
Next ba siya, Mike?
Wala ba siya BKB doy?
Nahik siya, tol.
Next yung show, may next.
Okay na na-send ko na Master Shomai.
Easy lang kay Yowie.
Pag Megatron.
Carla, send ko na.
Nahanap niya agad yung decolor sa puti. Wala naman no.
Kambobo, tingnan mo yung transaction.
Baka ka lang. May baka.
Daki na combo yun.
Maldita, no? Sorry na. Nice one, Drake.
Patay ata si 23 tol.
Lagi talaga na pagbibintangan si Drake tol. Uy, patay.
Buyback to.
Patay yan.
Ilakad ko ba mamaya?
Wala, tapos na tol.
Ipang buyback ka na, tol.
Magbabalik na agad si Jane De Leon.
Sakit naman nun. Ba't ganun yung damage ko yun?
Tayo.
Teka lang, kailangan na ng coach.
Hindi mo
Natal
naman
na
natin
yung
yan.
mga players ko.
Parang game mo lang sa Neon, tol.
Baka na work ethic.
Lucas
Work
yung show, may
ethics,
si
coach.
Jobs. Follow din to si Jobs. Show may ba next? Show may diba?
Uy, go.
Hindi na mega mid. Uy!
Teka, di pa ba tapos?
Yung palo!
Tapos na.
Gabi, pili ka ng lucky winner dun sa pinost ko sa FB na i-expose yung number.
Takin na kasi hindi sila nag-heart react sa mga quotes natin. Ayan, takin na, lumalaki na ulo nyo ha.
Yan.
Sabihin nyo makinig sila sa coach tol.
Yan, it's hard to beat a person who never gives up.
Oh, heart react.
Heart react. People rarely succeed unless they have fun in what they are doing.
Nag-altab si Jotun eh.
Oo, nag-altab. Baka nag-live eh. Tingnan mo nga, Joe.
You pick the puck nice and early. I don't care. We're just